Hey there, amazing subscribers. Welcome back to another exciting video on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some valuable tips on how to use your credit card wisely. We all know that credit cards can be a powerful financial tool when used correctly, but they can also lead to unnecessary debt if we're not careful. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make the most of our credit cards while staying financially responsible. Understanding credit cards. Before we dig into the tips, let's quickly go over the basics of credit cards. A credit card is a payment method that allows you to borrow money from the bank to make purchases. You're given a credit limit, which is the maximum amount you can borrow. Each month, you receive a bill and you have the option to pay off the full balance or make a minimum payment. If you choose to pay only the minimum, you'll be charged interest on the remaining balance. Tip 1. Set a budget. The first tip to using your credit card wisely is to set a budget. Knowing how much you can afford to spend will help you avoid overspending and accumulating unnecessary debt. Take some time to evaluate your income, expenses, and financial goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your budget, you can make informed decisions about using your credit card. Tip 2. Pay your balance in full. One of the most important tips is to always pay your credit card balance in full and on time. By doing so, you won't incur any interest charges and you'll be building a positive credit history. Make it a habit to review your monthly statement and set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a due date. **** Visual, illustrate a person happily paying off their credit card bill online. ***. Tip 3. Be mindful of credit utilization. Credit utilization is the percentage of your available credit that you're using. It's recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30% to maintain a healthy credit score. If you consistently use a high percentage of your credit limit, it may negatively impact your creditworthiness. So, be mindful of your credit utilization and try to keep it low. Tip 4. Avoid cash advances. While credit cards offer the convenience of cash advances, it's best to avoid them whenever possible. Cash advances usually come with high interest rates and additional fees. Instead, consider using your debit card or withdrawing cash from your bank account to avoid unnecessary charges. Tip 5. Regularly review your statements. Last but not least, don't forget to regularly review your credit card statements. This will help you identify any errors or fraudulent charges that may have occurred. By catching these issues early on, you can take the necessary steps to resolve them and protect your finances.